Hello Odoers, welcome back to my channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to give your hotel customer access right for the self-service contact book from the website side. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here this module, the website customer contact. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to contact side. Go to any contacts where the door is called and see here this door is called have no any contacts and address. So here need to add. So first go to website and log in with this door is called. So now log in with this door is called and now log in this. And see here this no contact menu displayed. First go to here this and create contact request. You can easily select here this type like contact. Contact name is Niyati. Niyati is the doctor and job position is the doctor. Now add here email. Add here this phone number and mobile number and write here any notes. Now provided here this submit button. Now click on and now create here this contact information for the door is called and also provided here this communication history. If you want to write here any message then easily write here and now send this. Again go to contact form and you refresh and display here now added Niyati, doctor, mobile number, phone number, etc. and display here under this address tab. When you open it, then display here this type is a contact name, title, job position, email, phone number and mobile number. Now save it and now again go to website and now go to this home page and display here this contact menu after added this one contact. Now open it and now display as in a list view. You can easily add here and if you want to edit this detail then use this edit button. Now I want to add here this Niyati Mehta. Now change here this position like a teacher and now save it. Again go to contact form to refresh this and now display here this Niyati Mehta and position is a teacher. So using this our app you can easily add a contact and address from the website site. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.